To start the Swiss ball hip bridge, start seated on your Swiss ball and walk yourself forward, laying yourself back with control. You want your knees bent at a 90-degree angle. You want your hips and your thighs to be parallel to the floor. Then, inhale as you drop your hips toward the floor, and exhale as you squeeze your glutes behind you and press toward the ceiling. Maintain good control and contraction in your posterior chain and repeat with good form through all program repetitions. The Swiss ball hip bridge is a great exercise to train stability in the glutes, the hamstrings, and the core. We're going to use our Swiss ball here and the floor. Let's get into it. The Swiss ball hip bridge is an amazing exercise to teach your glutes and your hamstrings how to work together without using your lower back. Notice how Katie's positioned herself on the ball so that her shoulders and her head are nice and neutral, and the ball moves a little bit with her natural movement, but not a lot. She's not rolling the ball back and forth. All the movement is in her hips. She's also planted her feet firmly on the ground so that she can use her posterior chain powerfully. Now, if you're having a hard time getting connected with the glutes as opposed to your lower back, you need to put your hands there so you can feel those muscles contract as you drive your knees out while keeping them stationary. Lastly, if you need to bail, because sometimes this ball gets a little wily, do not put your hands on the ball. Instead, just have a seat where you are. You can be all done. Nice job.